Hello friend, today we are going to learn about popular constraints in database. So first our topic is not null. So not null is itself stating that the value cannot have null value. So I have created database and table in which you can see here the restaurant name variable character not null. I have put the value null. So when I'm executing the data, it is stating that a column does not allow null. So you can't allow any value into the null value. So when I try to put the value into the null value, so it is automatically a table. Before that I just want to use database. No, I just want to use that database. You can see here the Aadhaar card 3. So I want to change that database into the database restaurant. So what I will do, I will use only the name of database, not complete sentence. So it is automatically execute. Okay, so now I have copied the previous table. I just changed the table name only. So here you can see here the restaurant name, the column restaurant name having not null. So when I put any null value into the constraint not null, so the value cannot be executed. It will stay some errors. Here you can see here I have just added the value null, so it is stating the column does not allow any null. So for that I have to write value into the not null, then the commands will execute successfully.